your ass on, boy.
Why is this nigga f***ing with me, bro? What the fuck did I do? Like, seriously, bro. Fuck.
What's going on, sir?
How's it going?
Not bad, not bad. So listen, I pulled you over because I clocked you doing 50 miles an hour in a 40.
Come on, my nigga.
Over there on North Lake, approaching US 1.
Okay.
Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? The reason you were going that fast?
I didn't even know I was going that fast. I thought I was cruising. My radar going off the whole time. I didn't know you were around, so I was driving slow as I knew I could.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
How you doing?
What's going on, sir?
Nothing much. Story of my life. It's pretty cold out here, ain't it?
Say what?
It's pretty cold out here, ain't it?
Yeah.
30 degrees.
Make a lot of content with the POV thing? Make a lot of content.
Somewhat.
Yeah? You drive responsibly, okay?
I will.
I'll give you a warning for the speed. It's 40 miles, just a reminder, on North Lake.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. That's it.
You too.
All right, sir. How's it going?
Alright, you too. These niggas definitely about to follow me on Instagram.